Moon Tolo Car Seat Installation Guide. Take the car seat belt buckle and make sure the straps are not twisted. Cross the diagonal strap underneath the headrest. And cross the waist strap underneath the armrest. There are red markers to identify the locations of 2 openings on the back side of the car seat. Double-check the seatbelt straps for twists in between. Now insert the buckle from the front into the right opening. Bring it onto the left opening from behind and take it out towards the front. Take the buckle from underneath the armrest and fasten the seatbelt. Press the red button to adjust the height of the headrest accordingly to the child's head position. Harnessing the safety belts. Press the harness button to loosen the shoulder strap. Stretch out both the straps. Make sure the straps are not twisted. Align the shoulder strap clips together. Insert them together beneath the red button on the main buckle. Make sure you hear the click sound. Readjust by pulling the adjustment strap. Converting to booster seat. The 5-point safety harness has to be removed in order to separate the booster seat. Turn the car seat sideways. Press the base and the main frame together. Flatten it and turn it around. The harness is connected to 3 clips on the base, which has to be removed. Also, unlock the 4th clip and remove the straps. The booster seat gets separated from the main body. For its usage, place the booster seat onto the car seat. Pull the seat belt and put the waist strap underneath the armrest. Then take both the straps from underneath the left armrest and fasten the seat belt. You and your little one are now ready to go.